Okay, I'm gonna go over what everyone wants to hear about because you guys know I've been making a lot of videos about MULN. I don't want to leave you guys in the dust. I am currently in MULN. I did alert it to my Discord members. I can even show you guys with proof that I'm putting my money where my money where my mouth is. So if you go on my Discord, the link's down below. You'll see my journal here. You can see I have a massive win ratio doing these type of things. So for my swing trading, I'm in MULN. Last time I made about 20%. I'm in it again at a 23-cent average. I put in my notes. It has not hit the EMA 20 in 3 months, and it's near the bottom trend channel. I'm going to talk about all about that and what we look to do that. So yeah, I'm in two accumulations there. But let me go over this, show you guys what I like about MULN and how I've been just consistently making money on it. I played this thing down here before the pump happened. I played it down here, and I played it many other times way back. But this has been the most oversold MULN has been, and the biggest time distance I've seen on it. So as you can last see, you guys know I love to use reversion to the mean. The whole purpose of me trading pennies, and the only reason why I like it is because we know price has to revert to the mean. It doesn't matter, what market it is, OTC or whatever, they're going to revert to the mean, but usually with bigger volume, they revert to the mean faster. MULN has had lots and lots of volume. The last time we hit the EMA 20, which is this blue band, is back in 531, back in May 31st. The current date is August 30th. You guys do the math. 6, 7, 8. That's 3 months of time distance. I just don't see this not hitting within like a week or two. I just don't see it taking like 4 months. The volume is massive. It's 50 million volume today. So there's demand for this. There's nothing like saying, oh, we don't have volume. We definitely have a lot of volume for this. So what I'm going to show you guys is how I'm trading this, and this is not my typical ATR4 setup. As you can see, the lower band here, this is your green band. This is where your big buy zone is, and it can go under. That's totally fine. But a lot of the times is when it has this big inflection of this buy zone, the buyers take control, and we revert to the EMA 5, which is this purple, and then the EMA 10. This has made a massive move. I get it, this is a trash company. It's not something I want to invest in. I want to be in and out. But I mean, you can't deny the fact that this thing went from a low 20 cents all the way up to 50 cents, high 50s. It made an over 149% move. Now, none of us knows the exact bottom. We don't know the exact, but I can assure you that we are very close. When we made this move up, we had this move here, and now we're coming back down. I'm kind of liking this just because of the trend channel here. We are getting kind of close to the channel here. It doesn't have to be precise. It can get a little close and then pump. This is mainly due to the fact that I can't ignore it due to the EMA 20. We're at 3 months. Even if we get to this upper trend channel, this will make me massive money. As you can see, just from the lows here to the upper trend, you're looking at 78% return. That's something not to blink about. That is good returns. I always tell my members I look to scale out around the 10 to 20% mark, and then anything above that is a cherry on the top of the ice cream, and I scale out slowly and slowly and slowly. So yeah, this is what I just want to give you guys up. I'm not leaving you guys in the fire here. I'm currently in it. If it breaks below this trend channel, then sure, I might get stopped out. If I see a candle that's clearly below it, we're forming something, worse than I thought, then yes. But the thing is, I will say though, I just don't see it really happening. I think the risk versus reward is definitely in the bulls. Of course, I didn't buy it way up in here. I let it kind of settle down some, and I just think this is something out of all the penny stocks, a lot of them get diluted for sure, but this one has a lot of volume. It's and I can show you the past. The EMA 20 has always been respected. It's one of my, surprisingly, this stock right here has been one of my best penny stocks to trade. I made thousands and thousands of dollars trading this same strategy, doing it. Last time you can see we hit the ATR4, the lower band to a T. It can do that, and what happened is we pumped massively from that area. We had this time distance, we hit it. The only time this thing has, I'll show you the most bizarre thing this has done. Hit this and we pump. You can see the religious things that this thing can pump. So it's good to see when you look at the back test, This thing is known to pump. This thing does 100% move like it's nothing. So this was the last time. You see this big gap of the EMA 20? We're in a way worse scenario. We're in like 3 months. This gap right here was 502. It finished it out at 706. That's only a 2 month in a couple days. Well, we're at the 3 month mark, guys. We're at territories we've never seen. And this, I can see an explosive move up by the algorithm that's going to make this go up. I think the algos are going to, just explode this up. We are at a 10.86 on the K. It's kind of low here. That's the stochastic oscillator. But this right here is more of a big move up and a pullback. I'm looking for that pullback right here. We're at the bottom trend channel. And then I'm looking for that move up here to the EMA 20. That's all I'm looking for, guys. Can this keep going down? Absolutely. I'm not saying this can't keep. If it goes below this bottom trend channel, then sure, I might take a stop loss and I'll call it a day. But my risk versus reward is I can definitely see this heading on up to the upper trend channel. Even if it goes to the middle channel here, you're looking at a 50% return. This thing's just very volatile. Remember, pennies, you have to accumulate the dips. And if you guys watch my accumulation videos and understand how to properly accumulate, then you'll understand that, I'm not worried about it. When you looked at my journal, you saw my average. I'm at 2 accumulations. I do about 4 accumulations per stock, and I go bigger money as the ads go, and that's how I was able to make massive money down in here, in this area when I was consolidating and had a massive move up. So this is ticker MULN. Yeah, I'm definitely bullish on it. I get it. People like to be bullish when it starts moving. I like to call it before the move happens. Anybody can call a move happening right when it's happening, right? MULN can be up 100% and then everyone comes out of their shadows and starts calling out. I'm here to call it out before it happens. And then, this is video for proof here and all that. But yeah, expect EMA 20 to get hit. This thing is definitely due. I mean, from the lows here to here, you had 151%. Even if it trails down some, even if it goes to the upper trend here, it still makes me massive money. I think the risk versus reward is what you got to look at in trading. What's the probability? Does your system work? And yes, this system works massively. I've yet to lose a single trade on MULN, and tons of people lost on MULN. So that can assure you that you can be confident in this system. Join the premium Discord if you guys want to. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. You can read how to subscribe if you have an Android. Avoid scammers. I'll never trade your accounts for you. And then the testimonies, you can see like this thing is, really what it says it to be is. I think you guys are going to really like it. Hit the service shop in the top left, and I'll teach you guys how to trade like a pro. I offer 2 services, the Swing Trading and Day and Swing Trading Plus. Day and Swing Trading Plus is only $12 a month, and you get access to all my subscriptions on the left. You get my entries and exits for swing trading and day trading. Day trading is obviously one of my best strategies. It's one of my funnest. It brings a lot of adrenaline, and it's been making me really high consistent returns. What I showed you on the journal was swing trading. You look at the day trading journal. It's been absolutely fire. Big win streaks in a row here, and even if we lose, it's just very minimal. So yeah. If you subscribe on computer, $12 a month, I think you guys are going to like it. And I'm going to make sure your chart looks like mine. Learn all the education. Get your feet wet, guys. I think you guys are in for a nice ride here. This is ticker MULN. I'm calling it. I think this is due. I know. I mean, where my entry is, I really think I can easily make 20%. That's not really a big deal. But I do think if we go to this top range here, we're at a 77%, guys. I definitely would look at this as that. But yeah, I'll be watching this, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. If you guys like the video, give me a like, subscribe, comment. I'll post more videos like this of bottom reversals where I find extremely undervalued stocks, and we look for that run up just like when MULN did this big move up here. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the Discord, and I'll put all my education and knowledge there and keep you updated on MULN. Peace out.